Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick help video to make sure everyone knew what was going on with this little assignment here. It's going to be done at your own pace. And if you're in third period, you're doing one of them today and one of them tomorrow on Wednesday. So this recording is really for the Tuesday, Wednesday here, December 8th and 9th. So look, you need to practice both writing the names for ionic compounds and writing the formulas for ionic compounds. So that's what this little exercise is going to help you do. So I'm going to give you the formula, and then you're going to have to write out the name. All right. And so let me just show you what I'm sort of expecting. So here is, and this is actually wrong. This should say formula to name. So if you go ahead and recognize that this is Sr strontium, find it on the periodic table. It's in the column that is column number 2, so it's going to be a +2 charge. You're going to write this down in the space provided. Then you're going to look up in nitrogen. It's in column number 15, which means it has 5 valence electrons. Remember, everybody wants to get to 8, so it's going to gain 3. I'm going to leave it with a charge of -3. So the name of this, the way that you name ionic compounds, is pretty straightforward. You literally take the metal, the strontium, and you literally just write its name out. And then you're going to change the name of the second thing to end in IDE. A couple of them are weird. Nitrogen's one of them. It's not nitrogenide, it's just nitride. It just sounds, sounds nicer. Okay, so you'll notice that when you click to the next slide, it actually has the answer here. That's because you're doing this without me helping you, without having the normal supports that we would have. You've got chemistry teachers to draw on. You've got a nice substitute teacher that's working with you guys, but at the end of the day, you're really having to do a lot of this on your own. So this is sort of like a little pull down feature where you can just sort of double check yourself as you're working. So I'll do the first one here with you. So one way you could do this is, okay, I know that this is going to be an Na. I find it on the periodic table. It's in the first column, which means it's going to have a +1 charge. All right, if I didn't want to handwrite it and I wanted to do it using text, I could totally do that. Just drag the little box over. The anion is the negative charge. Remember, cations, cats have paws, so those are positive. Anions are a negative ion. That's going to be a Br. And there's no real good way to do the exponent here, so I'm just going to go Br with a -1. I'm going to make that nice and big. And I'll probably just move that down so it's a little bit more helpful. So it would be a Br -1. And so if I want to do this again using text, I could totally do that. The name of this would be our friend sodium bromide. Again, the name, you want to make sure that, let me see if I can get that to cooperate. Oh, you know what, I can put that in a little bit of a better spot, but gosh, I'm getting all kerfuddled here. Let's see, I can undo it perhaps. Oh, I don't know, but you'll do a better job than I did there. We'll just try it again. Sodium bromide. Make the box the right size and just drag her down into place. All right, so look, that is what you're doing. You hit the submit button and you're on your way. To double check yourself, pull the answer down, Na +1, Br -1, sodium bromide, and you got it. All right, you need to do the practice because without practice, you don't get better, okay? I hope everyone is well. I'm not going to be responding to messages that you send me because I'm trying to do my best to stay away from work and just focus on getting better. All right, guys, be well. I'll see you. Bye-bye.